I met an old friend from our own soil, and this is the jowar, a grain that our grandparents in Maharashtra and Karnataka ate daily. It is not just food, but nature's medicine. Jowar is gluten-free, rich in soluble fiber, protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals. It regulates the blood sugar in diabetes, lowers cholesterol for heart health, heals PCOS and PCOD and hormonal health, reduces inflammation in arthritis and autoimmune conditions, supports bone density in osteoporosis, enhances gut microbiome diversity for better digestion, and even reduces cancer risk due to its high polyphenol content. It's the kind of food that heals silently, one meal at a time. I used to think that healthy food is slow cooking, but this masala jowar roti is ready in under 10 minutes, proving that nourishing food can be fast, flavorful, and healing. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of grated carrot, 1 cup of grated cucumber, 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1 cup of chopped dill leaves, 1 green chili, 1 cup of diced capsicum, and 1 cup of jowar flour. Now these are the vegetables I am using today, but you can be flexible. Use whatever is available at home. Grated cauliflower, cabbage, or even onions add a beautiful depth to the flavor. Into the mixing pan, we start with capsicum for vitamin C, boosting immunity and protecting against infections. Then the green chili for metabolism, helping the body burn calories efficiently. The dill leaves for detox, supporting liver function. The spinach for iron, preventing anemia and nourishing the blood. Cucumber for hydration, cooling the body and aiding digestion. Carrot for beta-carotene, protects your vision and skin health. And finally, the jowar flour, the fiber feeding good gut bacteria and stabilizing your blood sugar. These ingredients make a powerful disease-fighting combination. In spices, we add 1 teaspoon of turmeric for anti-inflammatory properties, easing your joint pain and preventing chronic disease. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for circulation, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds for calcium to strengthen bones and teeth, hand-crushed carom seeds for digestion, relieving bloating and acidity, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder for metabolic balance and supporting a healthy weight, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder for immunity, and 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt for the mineral balance and electrolytes. Mixing with your hands is not just a tradition. Research shows that the sensory engagement with food enhances when you eat it after mixing it with your own hands. It aids digestion. As you mix, the vegetables will release their own water. It reduces the need to add any excess water. Here I am adding only 1/4 cup of water and hence preserving the nutrients. Rest the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes and press it thin, as thinly as possible or the way you like it, on a heated pan with a touch of coconut oil or desi ghee. This is the healthy fat that supports your brain health and hormonal balance. Flip until golden brown from both the sides. Now serve it into a plate with salad for the fiber and enzymes, coconut chutney for good fats, and garlic pickle, a natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory that supports heart and immune health. This masala jowar roti did not just change my plate, it changed my health. It broke the myth that quick food can only be junk food. It became a meal that fuels, heals, and protects. If you have been living on fast food because life is busy, try this. You might just find that healing your body can be just as quick and a lot more delicious. If you have loved this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe and comment with your experiences. I would love to read your experiences and reply to each one of them personally. Till we meet again in another video, this is Shweta Honagudi. Namaste.